we're going to do something with this and this. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to do something with this, but first of all we need to get some of this. We need to get some of this stuff. This is another thing I've come across that looks like Donald Trump's hair. I swear, I know he's got a golf course here. I think he just comes and gets his hair from here as well, I don't know. Anyway, we need a load of this. Another bit and that'll do. Right, I'll come back in a minute. Right, we also need some of this wild garlic. It absolutely stinks. In fact, you know what, we only need the leaves. This stuff is an absolute plague. It spreads and just suffocates all the other stuff. That's why there's nothing else here apart from this. It's good to use it. Apparently, that's what I've been told. Smells nice as well. Look at that. Right, that's a shame. When I just popped into these woods, I did see a deer run off. So we'll just stay away from those guys and we'll let them meet back up again. Right, we've got all the ingredients we need. Now we need to mix them, put them together. By the way, I forgot to bring my tripod, so apologies about that. Not the best start, but that'll be fine. Don't worry, don't worry. I always get them going first time. Definitely not a good start though. I couldn't find rocks, by the way. I would have had a base and a couple around, but couldn't find any decent ones, just stones. And it's not going to be a fire hazard, trust me. There's just no way. And also, I'm sitting right here. I'm not going to leave it unattended, so just for the people that get worried about that sort of thing. Right, the first thing we need to do is cut either the top off of the pepper or go down the middle if you want. I'm going to go with cutting the top off about there. Because I don't have my tripod, I'll have to pause it, but that's what I'm going to do, just cut the top off. Right, we've cut the top off. Alright mate, calm down. Right, right, we've cut the top off. We need to do this. Is this guy being cheeky or something? Right, we've cut the top off. We need to do the same with this. Again, either go down the middle if you want. I'm gonna go about there. Cut that off. Right, we've done that. We've cut them both about a third of the way down, the orange and the pepper. You can plant these seeds. Some of them won't do anything. Some of them will give you really weird mutant peppers. And then those peppers, most of them, like 80% of them, won't have seeds. The rest of them, you can plant those seeds and you'll get plants, but only like, I don't know, 1% of those will then give you peppers. It's weird. They do it. I don't know if it's deliberate or if it's just a side effect of the way they grow these, but you can't just plant the seeds and just get loads of peppers. Right. God. Anyway, next step, we need this. Right, the next step is to get these into these. Oh. Not like that though. Don't. Oh, whoa, whoa, what's going on? Right. Obviously, don't do it like that. Okay, we'll try that again. Oh. Ooh. Oh my God, what is that? Right, anyway, okay, and then we'll just you don't have to add that. I like it, so I'm going to stick some of that in. Right, we're ready. Can't leave my hand over the top for more than a couple of seconds, so we're good to go. Good luck, buddy. Oh, just about spilled you everywhere. Definitely hot enough. So the orange, you can see it's starting to cook already. The pepper is doing nothing, man. Come on, you need to pick yourself up a bit there. I think maybe there's more moisture in that. Oh, the orange is tanking this. Look at this, I can see it. It's not a race, guys, just do your best. But seriously, the pepper's doing nothing. Come on, man. Right, the orange is still, it's starting to thicken, it's doing something. This guy is, I don't know if it's tactical, like he's going to suddenly sprint at the end like marathon runners, but other than that, all he's done is produce some bubbles in the middle. Right, in terms of speed, this guy is winning. Flavour could be totally different, but this, it's just, you can, right there you can see it's starting to turn white. Right, this guy's just about done. I think what should happen now is they'll start to wilt a little bit, and it should start to bubble. This guy's still, he's getting there, he's doing his very best. But what I'm going to do is, oh, this third egg that I've got, I'm going to make in this because it's quicker. Right, let's get this guy on. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's get you on, big boy. Sorry about that. Split you in half there. Right. Time to sample one of these boys. We'll try this boy first, right? I wish I had my tripod. You're just gonna have to. Oh, ugh. Right. How do I do this one-handed? Alright, okay, it's sort of like scrambled egg. I'm not sure how. Oh, decent. Right, not a hint of orange. That was my concern. Oh, yeah. For some reason that tastes more like pasta, by the way. Aye, yeah. That is not at all as bad as I expected. I thought there'd be this weird sort of orange flavour, because I did this with lemons once and all you tasted was bitterness, like eating grass or something. Not the easiest thing to eat with one hand, but right. Yeah, that was quite nice, and not a single bit of orange. Right, we'll try the next guy. Right, he's still a bit runny inside. How do I? Same again, not a hint of orange. Taste exactly the same as if you had used a pan. This one doesn't taste like pasta. Just tastes like egg. Slightly oniony egg. Oh man, brilliant. He's taking his time, but you know what they say, it could be worth it. Can't rush perfection. Right, I'm going to enjoy this one. Right, we're going to get this guy off now. I don't think he's really, still a bit undercooked, but edible. Right, this guy took the longest. He tastes the best. Yeah.